This is my young bird team. This is Azia. He's a cock sitting on a nest. This is his mate, Ayaku. This is Ayashi. She flies very quickly. She's fast and light. She has no mate. This is Shaula. He's a cock. He also does not have a mate. Two new little young birds. This is Layli. We're not sure if it's a boy or a girl. This is Niji. Not sure if it's a boy or a girl. And then we have a naughty one who snuck through the hole. This is Nika. Not sure if it's a boy or a girl. My beautiful young birds. Oops. Very young, very inexperienced. They have no idea what to do with themselves yet. They've never used the trap before. Well done, Nika! Well done. Good job. These two are siblings. This one is a single chick. Its sibling died a day or so after birth. Shaula the cock is brother to Azia the cock. And my two ladies, Ayaku on the left and Ayashi on the shelf, these two are sisters. And my shoes are being marauded by little babas. Hello, Nunus. And if you guys can see this, I have a bird on me.